very nice shopping mall. Okay, so this is my first meal of the day. Right. My name is Mia and I've been living in Shanghai for the past 9 years. And today I'm going to take you on a tour exploring Shanghai and gonna tell you how to explore Shanghai just like the locals. So there are like all sorts of popular areas in Shanghai. Jing'an is the one. I think you guys might heard of there's the one called the Bund and the Xuhui district as well. But today our main focus is Jingan. There are so many nice shops and shopping malls and restaurants, then we can check it out. Okay, so I'm already at this metro station. Basically, I'm gonna take line 4 at the Zhenping Road, then transfer to line 7. All right, let's go. In case this is your first time traveling to Shanghai and you don't have like a metro card with you, you can actually use the Zhifubao. It's called Alipay in China. So this is the main page. Okay, so we got the Alipay out. And what you have to do is just like type in here. You say, okay, I have this already, Shanghai 公交乘车码, or this is like the code for Shanghai bus or like metro. And click this. And then you can see this code here. You scan the code that you can get inside the metro. And then we scan the code. It's open. Yay! So I think my first stop is like a bridge that's where you can overlook the Jingan temple, and also I'm starving. I'm gonna get inside the shopping mall, grab some food and nice drinks. Wow, this view. I'm literally standing right in front of the Jingan temple. Heard this is the most expensive temple here. Cost 5 billion RMB. Like, can you believe that? Checking tickets outside the Jingan temple. I was here a couple years ago inside the temple. It was really peaceful, but today I'm not gonna get inside because I didn't dress that properly, so maybe next time. And then there's this very nice shopping mall in front of me. Let's have a look. This one called Jing'an. So first floor is mainly for cosmetics. They have all sorts of like brands, especially like international ones, those like a luxury brand. I think I'm gonna get to a floor where I can get some food and drinks. Let's explore. Thank you. 哦，好，谢谢。This is so nice. 还可以，谢谢。Think I need to get out of this shopping mall, else I'm gonna keep shopping. Just got this bracelet. Love, love. So cute. I grab some food at Wug's. There aren't many people. I'm gonna probably sit over there or inside. Yeah, I'm probably sit outside. Let's get some healthy food. 啊？少冰可以吗？冰少一点可以的。差不多多久啊？ Okay, so this is my first meal of the day. Got a prawn, some veggies, going pretty healthy though. And this is a pineapple juice. This shop is pretty popular for certain reasons. I've already got my drink and I'm gonna meet up with my friends later. I'm gonna find a nice place at Julu, which is not far away from here. Wow, this shopping mall is like so pretty. Actually, I've been here a couple of times, but I've never in this spot of the shopping mall because it's just so massive. And I'm glad that I did this vlog today. It's so nice. There are so many shared banks in Shanghai. Where I'm at is Fuming Road. Wow, you can see that there are lots of bistros here. I used to come here all the time and have some brunch with my friend. There is this construction going on, so it might be a little bit noisy right now. But today we're going to Julu, and because I find a really lovely cafe where I'm gonna meet up with my friends. What did you order? Oh. Nice. Very nice. Not too sweet. A bit milky. I can taste the matcha. The matcha is so strong. Americano. So this is my friend Nata. Now we're heading to a very popular spot in Shanghai right now.
5 minutes?
1,000?
1,000.
Yeah, or more. Like depends on have unboxing videos. Just for example, you got like 2 glasses from the shop. And we just tried it out. And like,
try out today. There's so much all the juice. Just
order like
people gonna try because
like this. Right. Come out. See. So it's just so crowded outside. Like so many people out there, fashion bloggers, photographers trying to snap a good shot.
That's it, yeah.
We took some nice photos.
Worldwide famous fashion bloggers.
Wow, I wish. Anyway, so we're gonna get inside.
Yeah.
Wow, feel much better here. The AC.
Oh my god, look at that.
Yeah. Wow. Gosh. 大叔挺潮的 If we want to get inside, we need to scan the code here and make appointment. But today just so packed. I don't think we can get inside today because there are already a lot of appointments. Maybe next time I'm gonna show you guys what's inside.
Okay. 啊，我这个
不用，谢谢。
谢谢，拜拜。
Neighborhood is so nice. Hello, Wuding Road. Okay, so now we are on Wuding Road. It's still like near Jing'an Temple as well, in the Jing'an district. Okay, so this area is not very popular among tourists, but if you've been living in Shanghai for more than 3 years, you definitely know this place because this place is perfect if you want to like go to bar, have some like a brunch. Okay, very chill vibes, like you're in Europe. Do you remember us?
Oh.
Yes, the Pasako girl. 2杯，对，2杯。